Let's go. We're gonna do a walking tour of the village that we're in, Rangdu. And we've walked around a little bit, but Agus is gonna show us some, I think it's like a beehive thing. They have a place where they make some honey and some rice fields, river, you know, show us the village, go by some houses. So let's check it out, follow along. This is the entrance to our, like the resort that we're staying at. That's what they call it, but there's like 7 different villas here, and this is the gate for it. My right leg is on fire from the climbing the other day at the waterfalls. So walking up is good. Walking down hurts. Walking up can't be so bad.
Suba Abyan. This is Suba temple Abyan.
Okay.
You been to Suba before?
No.
It's registered at UNESCO.
Okay.
Yeah.
The colors around here are just beautiful. All the green, and it's broken up with some, you know, shades of red and purple, pinks, oranges, whites.
Last time in 4 weeks ago, 4 weeks, no, 4 weeks later, after, can cut and you get the price.
Oh, okay. So in 4 weeks?
Yeah, more.
4 weeks more?
Normally it's 4 months.
Okay.
From the start.
And they put the nets over so the birds won't come in? Is that right? Or?
Yeah, this is protect the bird.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
This is long beans.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Long beans tree. If you want, you can take it and you can. Yeah, this one.
Okay. Want to see new one? Yeah, long beans. Yeah, tastes very fresh. You want to try it? Ryan, do you want to try it? You want to try it? Long bean?
Heidi, did Heidi try it?
No. You want to bite?
Try it. Take a bite.
You want to bite?
I
No?
think they taste
Okay.
very fresh.
Yeah.
Did you try it, Christy? The long bean?
I'm kind of long
Yeah.
bean.
Yeah.
It's good though. It has like a thinner skin. It's very fresh.
Oh, you want to try it? Yeah, just take a bite.
It's good. You like the water? What do you think, buddy? You picked
Good?
it right from the garden.
Good job. It's just beautiful here. We've loved Bali so far. It seems maybe a little bit different than when we were in Thailand because we're interacting with more people here, but yeah, we've made more of a connection with some of these people around here. It's been pretty cool.
Oh, that's so sweet, honey.
Yeah.
Ryan's favorite part. Okay.
All right, we're gonna go see how the honey is made. Okay, so about 2 months you can take the honey. You okay? Oh no, you okay?
I'm going down. Right.
Okay, you okay?
This is a honeycomb, yeah.
Okay.
If you want to try to eat,
You wanna try it?
use straw.
Okay. Oh, look. Okay. Yeah.
You want to try?
Yeah. So what do I do? Do I put my face down there?
Anh trên
Yeah.
này.
And then
Xem mình xem gần.
take
Just tap it.
harder, yeah. And then you don't.
Direct.
Drink
Oh,
it there?
yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Harder, yeah. Hard, very hard. Jadi sana slowly kan agak ini.
I need a little straw. Yeah.
What the taste?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah. Oh. Can you taste it? Let me see.
Ada mah ada kan
Right here.
lain bukan semua buat.
No, it's good. Try it. Try it.
Untuk luka kan bagus kan?
Sweet.
For the heart is good. Another one like.
Oh, it's
Oh,
good for
okay.
your knees.
Yeah.
Try it. It's good. Let me try this one. It's not thick. It has a different taste. Yeah.
I don't want to try it.
No, try it.
Come on.
Oh, wow. It's not.
Oh, jadi dek wah anak kerengaman
Okay, try it.
kedemen ini jok itu boboke ali. Sana.
Okay. See it?
Why don't have the beekeeper on
Suck,
it?
suck hard and fast. And close your eyes. Oh, there, Dad. Dad got it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
really good.
Okay, save that. Oh, oh.
Ah.
Wow. Here, put it on. Put it on. Oh, here, Ryan. Lick it off the straw. Oh, here.
Hello.
Do you taste it?
You don't want to try it? Ryan, just put your finger in
I
it.
taste the sour.
Ryan, you ate a scorpion.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
You can drink in the morning. It's better.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like apple cider.
Oh, a little bit.
Yes, sweet. Yeah.
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 Kan nanti jangan jauh.
Yeah.
One spoon.
Okay.
Drink in the morning.
Just, oh, one spoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get good
Strong.
healthy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Strong like bull.
Okay.
You can try later.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Said strong like bull. Terima kasih. Bye.
Say bowl is like a big cow. Say bye. Say thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Selamat malam.
Yeah, thank you for your visit.
Oh yes, thank you. So these sticks, they've got string wrapped to them or tied to them, and they go to these houses, and that house pull on them and it scares them. Hello! Say hello! But yeah, it's all those blue strings that are on that pole over there. You pull them, keeps the birds away. She won't cut you. No. No, probably not. Ryan fell or something. It's not. Oh no. What happened, buddy? Oh, you okay?
Are you okay?
We can rub some honey on it. No?
Okay, let's walk.
Okay.
You gotta go on Agus's back?
Okay, come.
No. This is Bali that people don't see much. Most people go to the south, stay around Denpasar, Ubud, just north of that, Canggu, all the beaches.
Sweet.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
But, you know, we decided to be here in the north and
Yeah, Ryan fell on the
yeah,
right.
just kind of getting more in with just the local community. We don't want to feel like tourists. And more like world residents. I don't know. Am I cheesy for saying that? What do you smell, buddy? Cow? Me too.
We're getting close. Oh, look. I see the cow.
Oh, but you can feed them.
So, remember we had to feed the elephant? Get it?
Ini, do you want?
Heidi?
Heidi?
Come on.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, from what Agus said, so the government gives them the cows, this community, they raise them, and then whenever they sell, then the money just comes directly back to the community, and it's just for the community to share.
I gave him another week.
Good job, buddy.
That was so cool.
Terima kasih.
Cassie.
I just threw it in.
They make traditional cake here. Right off the main road where we just came. Yeah, she's gonna show us. Okay.
Yeah, coconut inside. Sugar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Good.
Yes.
Oh, my gosh, yeah.
So these kids just love Heidi. Everybody loves Heidi. Heidi, say hi. tray of goodies here. The traditional cakes and desserts and stuff.
Close by.
41,000
Okay.
rupiah, $2.68. Pretty good hits. I'll show you in just a second.
Said that's popular to do the door and like the whole entryway. But I mean, yeah, it's beautiful.
Wow. Yeah, so his doors he was carving. With the doors, it's about $200. With the doors and the carving, it's about $300, a little bit less. In the US, the door with the carvings go for about $5,000. So yeah, if you decide to come to Bali, or when you do, sure, spend some time in the south for the beaches and the resorts and everything on it. But come up north and spend some time too. This is more of the true Bali. Alright, that concludes our tour of Rangdu Village. We wound up over here by our Maluku, our little mini mart. It's right down the road from the house. It's getting a little bit late and wanted to stop at this little warung for some soto ayam. And the place that's right across the street that we normally eat at is closed. But I've been wanting to try this place anyway. So I'll let you know how that is later in another video maybe. But thanks for following along. We really appreciate it. We appreciate the likes and the comments and the subscribes. You know, share it out, tell your friends. And we appreciate it. We'll see you all in the next video. Thanks.